On number 13, we're trying to solve sine squared of theta minus 3 sine of theta plus 2 is equal to 0. And algebraically, this question is basically the same as if we had this. So if we were given this in an algebra course, we would have to factor this, and you would put x, and what two numbers multiply together to give you positive 2, but add together to give you negative 3, and that would be minus 2 and minus 1. So that is kind of the structure or the template for how we're going to solve this one. So I can just put my two parentheses, and I'm going to, instead of putting an x and an x, I'm going to put a sine of theta and a sine of theta, and then what two numbers multiply together to give me positive 2, but add together to give me negative 3? Well, it's just the negative 2 and the negative 1. So we really just factor these the same way as we were to factor any other polynomial. So because it's a sine, it doesn't really change the fact that we still need to factor it. Okay, so then this is going to be sine of theta minus 2 is equal to 0. And then sine of theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So sine of theta is equal to 2, and sine of theta is equal to 1. So I need to look at my unit circle. Where is sine of theta equal to 2? So where is y equal to 2? Well, if you look at the unit circle, it's actually never equal to 2. Another way to look at this, which I like to do, is look at the graph of sine. So no transformations, just the graph of sine. It never gets any greater than 1, and it never gets any less than negative 1. So it's never greater than 1, never less than negative 1. So anytime you get sine equal to a number that's bigger than 1, it's like 2, 3, 4, 10, or a number less than negative 1, so like negative 10, then this will just be never. So we're not actually getting any answers from this branch. That doesn't mean that it's going to be no solution, because we still have this branch to look at. But from this branch, it's not contributing any answers. So then sine of theta is equal to 1, where is y equal to 1? This will be here at pi over 2. So pi over 2, this is our only answer.